Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to make a landing page for your offer and how you can make a privacy policy, terms and condition, everything for your landing page, and how you can able to make landing page itself and how you can find the offers, everything in just free with 2 minutes. Okay, so just give me 2 minutes and I'll show you all. So this is the place, this is the marketplace where you can able to see, where you're able to catch all the offers which is going to be launched here. So this platform is going to be give you the notification of Worry Plus and ClickBank and JVZoo. So you can find out the latest offer to promote. Let's say you are checking out this offer called JVZoo, which is going to be launching 10 October, which is today, and you can check out the JV page from here. Once you decided to promote this, now let's say this is the landing page and you go through the offer and you like the product and now you decided to promote. How would you make a landing page? To make a landing page, just go to pdrive.download/system. You can also find this same link in the description below. You have to wait for 5 seconds because it is initializing the link, and finally click on get link. You will be redirected to the free platform, which is the system.io, and the perfect place for making landing pages, squeeze pages, automations, sending emails. Perfect. It is perfect. So if you know ClickFunnels, it is a free alternative. If you know MailerLite, it is a free alternative. If you know MailChimp, you don't have to do anything. You don't have to use WordPress. You don't have to use Elementor. You don't have to buy domain. You don't have to buy hosting. Everything is completely free here. And it is also saying that limited time offer, you can get lifetime access of system.io for free. So just check out the link in the description below and register and sign up for free for the lifetime. Now, I already have an account with system.io. I'm showing you. You know, when it comes to promoting anything with Google ads or Facebook ads, you also needing a privacy policy, terms and condition for your page. So for the instance, let me show you one of the landing page that I've created with system.io, and it is view funnel. So this is the simple page that I have created. All right, it is very simple page, but maybe you're creating a very good looking page. And by the way, if you don't know how to create pages, and if you don't want to invest a time to make a beautiful pages, you can contact the Fiverr and go to my go to this my account, which is Gizmo Combat. I will create a perfect landing page for you. You don't have to pay for the hosting, you don't have to pay for the domain, and your landing page will be live forever. If you want this landing page for you, if you want this landing page with you, you can contact me. I will create the same looking landing page with you with your own affiliate link, and also all kinds of privacy policy and everything with just only $5. So let me show you my gig. So this is here my gig, and go to preview. This here is my gig. You can see is one order in queue. So it is just costing you $5 only, and it's very cheap. You cannot find this offer anywhere else in the internet. There's only me. So with this gig, if you don't want to create a great looking landing page, then this is the place. Okay, you can also contact for squeeze page also, where you can collect email address and all kinds of stuff. Finally, let's say you made a landing page with system.io, or maybe you contacted me for $5 landing page. Then it's time to add privacy policy and terms and condition. By the way, this video is dedicated to having a privacy policy and terms and condition for free. You know already that if you are making a landing page, you have to also create the privacy policy and terms and condition. Let me give you the solution now. So I have created my own platform. It's called Open Privacy Media.netleafy.app. You'll also find the same link in the description below. This is my website and it is completely free for everybody. If you're looking for privacy policy, here we go. This is the privacy policy. If you're looking for terms and condition, there you go. This is the terms and condition. If you're looking for disclaimer, this is the place to go with a disclaimer. You have the free disclaimer here. If you want to go for the privacy copyright policy, here we go. This is the copyright policy and fees and charges. So what you need to do, if you want to add a privacy policy to your landing page, all you have to do is just click on privacy policy, copy the link from here like this, and go to your very bottom and see, you can see you have privacy policy, and paste there. Just paste the link of this website called open privacy policy, openprivacymedia.netlify.com.netlify.app/privacy policy. And if you need terms and condition, just click there, copy this link, and go to your page and paste under the terms and condition. That's it. In this way, if you're going for the Facebook ad or maybe Google ads, you will not those platform will not deny your ad. Okay, so this is the solution. And to create this kind of terms and condition and privacy policy, you don't have to spend any money and also any time. It's free and it's quick. So all you have to do is to copy the link and paste it to your landing page. That's it. It is completely free. So thank you so much for watching this video. I see you in the next one.